How to temporarily deactivate a Snapchat account. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to temporarily deactivate a Snapchat account. Open the Snapchat application on your mobile device. Once you're in the app, tap on your profile icon located at the top left corner of the screen. Now, you will see your profile page. Tap on the settings icon. In the settings menu, scroll down until you find the delete account option. After tapping on delete account, you'll be asked to enter your username and password to confirm the deactivation of your account. Alternatively, if you want to temporarily deactivate your account without going through the settings, you can hold down the Snapchat app on your home screen and select the option to remove or uninstall the app. This will temporarily deactivate your account. So that is how you can temporarily deactivate the Snapchat account. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.